Okay, so before I start the video, I just want to point out one person that made a donation to the channel. I just want to personally thank that person right here uh, for supporting the channel by giving me a donation. But just wanted to show you what I typically do from day to day. It's 7:11 right now. And what I usually do is I don't start work till 7:30. I usually sit in my car, read all your comments, respond to all your comments, and then by the time 7:30 comes along, I start work. That's what happens every day during the work week. And then after work, I go home and then either I edit a video and I answer more of your comments if there. So, anyways, right to the original video that's supposed to be. I can't think right now. It's still early in the morning. Sorry, guys. But let's get right to the original video. I thought I put this up here just to give the guy a shout out for giving me a donation. So thank you. But right to the video. All right. Hey there, YouTube. So just when I thought I left Hyundai for good, they somehow find me and they hunt me down and make me work on their cars. I'm just joking. I don't know. But anyways, I got I think this is a 2018 or 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. And this customer's complaint is, as you can already see, there's water on the passenger floor and it's dripping. So you can probably hear it sloshing around as I drive. Let me drive. I'll turn on the blower motor or blower fan. You can hear it sloshing. Or the fan like slinging water everywhere. Here, you heard that? Yeah, the fan's like blowing water everywhere. Oh, someone's blocking our entrance here. Okay, anyways, here, you can hear it. I'm going up this hill, but it's sloshing in the blower motor. So typical plugged drain tube. But I don't know why spiders like to make their nests in the Hyundais, but I don't know. Maybe spiders just like to make their nests in the Hyundais for some reason. I've never had to deal with this kind of thing with our Honda vehicles, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna wait till the guy who's blocking our entrance to our shop to move so I can get it into our shop. Oh, he's gone. All right, let me just drive in the shop. So I got it into our hoist. So yeah, I don't know. it's so common on the Hyundais. I've made videos on the Hyundai, like in the Elantras, and you know they always come in with water in the passenger floor. And for some reason, I don't know why spiders like to make their nests in the drain tube, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe spiders like to make, like they know the cars are gonna blow up and they can make it their permanent homes. I don't know. They sit in the yard. I don't know. But yeah, anyways, so I'm gonna put it up on the hoist, and then I'm gonna get an air nozzle and then blow air into the drain tube, and then we'll watch the waterfall come. And yeah. Oh, my AC drain tube is right here, but I can't. It's very stubby, so it might be just further up. But yeah, I don't know. With Hondas, I guess spiders like to make their nest in the where the charcoal canister vent tube, and they like to cause check engine lights rather than plug up their AC drain plug. I don't know. Maybe it's just spider preference and what they want to do. But I'm gonna go get myself a blowgun and I'm gonna blow some air into it, and then we'll watch all the water come out. Okay, got myself a super long blowgun, and then I'm just gonna stick it in this hole, and then give it a. There you go. There's all your water. Yeah.
Water leak inside?
No, it's usually spiders make a nest in there and plug up the drain.
Holy God, that's a lot.
Yeah, that's a lot. That's all the water from your condenser, or not your condenser, your evaporator, because you know that's why you have an AC drain tube.
That's a lot of water. It's still going. Yeah. Still going. Completely full. Oh, there you go. It's done. Ah, okay. It's clear now. Problem fixed. No parts required. Yeah, anyways, I just wanted to show you guys this. This is it's pretty funny. It always happens on the Hyundais. On the AC drain tube. Never on the Hondas. I haven't seen that yet. Hold this. So I'm just holding the customer's towel. I want to show you how much water is on this towel. While I wring it out. The carpet's so wet. Look at that. Okay, I gotta dry this customer's carpet. Yeah, carpet is damp. You can see all soaked in there. Too bad I don't have my carpet cleaner, because I took that home from the last time I cleaned out all the mold out of a customer's carpet because it was so moldy. It was all from all the water leaks in the Honda Fit. But the shop vac works just as good. And you can see, don't need any, it'll suck water out of it. Yeah, so if you're trying to get water out of your carpet, just a vacuum cleaner with a narrow end on it, and you can suck out all the water. But make sure you clean out your shop vac after, or it's gonna smell from all the other stuff that's in there. And then run your AC so it gets the moisture out of your cabin and it drains it out of your AC drain tube. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this a couple times and then dry it out. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys like this video. I used to have videos on this back at Hyundai on, like, you know, the Elantras, not just the Santa Fe's, but I don't know, they like to make, spiders like to make their nest in Hyundais for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, anyways, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, and then thank you guys for watching. Okay, so check this out. Dry glove. It's literally dry with a, it's not even, look, not even wet. Just with a shop vac. So this carpet is like, oh, pretty much dry. Like on the corners you still feel a little bit like wet, but everything that I went through and it sucked it all out, carpet's all dry. So see, my gloves aren't even wet, even if I squeeze down on the fucking carpet. See, dry. I guess that could be a quick tip. If you don't have a carpet cleaner that will suck out the water, just use your shop vac.